Whispers of nature. Thought of the day. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. John Muir. Hello everyone, and welcome to our podcast, Whispers of Nature. I'm Sunny, your friendly Shiba Inu. And with me today is Panda, the nature-loving panda. Today we'd like to share with you our thought of the day. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Sometimes we go out just to get fresh air or to take a break from the day, but often nature gives us so much more: peace, clarity, inspiration, and sometimes even answers to our problems. I remember when I was really nervous before my first agility competition. Oh yes, you couldn't sit still. So we went for a walk in a park together. We listened to the birds, felt the breeze, and suddenly I felt calm. I could breathe deeply again, and I was ready. Nature didn't just calm you down, it gave you strength and confidence. Exactly! Since then, a walk in the nature is my little secret when I'm feeling stressed. Here's our tip for you. Take a short walk today. No phone, no distractions. Just you and nature. You might find something you weren't looking for, but truly needed. That's it for today's episode of Whispers of Nature. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, nature always has something to say if you take the time to listen. See you next time with a new thought of the day. Take the care and stay close to nature.